We're doing trips to the hospital.
Especially today.
Why what's today?
It's my birthday, mister.
Oh.
Why would I be opening this?
I don't know.
Oh my, I'm just eight.
We're almost there.
What is it?
Wait, it's still wrapped.
Oh, hold on. There's
Card. I'm gonna read it.
Okay. Is there more than one thing in there?
More than one thing?
I thought you said there were two things and they were numbered.
No.
One and two. You could open the one. Oh, okay. Well.
Whatever.
Huh.
It's your birthday, and I love you. And if we were, if birthday. I thought there was an envelope.
I don't remember seeing anything else from
There's
Grandma.
an envelope in your room.
That's not from Grandma.
Lunchbox?
Oh, cool.
Wow. Now need to buy one of this.
Oh, there's two boxes.
Oh. No.
One and two.
Okay. She said you could open one. Number one.
What does it say?
I don't know. I can't see it from here.
Let's see.
One says open me first.
It says open me first.
This one. It smells like Grandma's house.
Cigarette smoke.
No, it smells good.
Oh.
Mom.
What'd she get you?
I'm looking. Yeesh, no need. A sharpener.
A what?
Pencil sharpener.
A pencil sharpener. Darn, you should. I told you should ask for something better than a pencil sharpener.
I did.
That's tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Right now.
Oh, okay. I guess you could open it now.
Here, what she said.
That's probably an eraser.
Yeah.
Okay, Jasmine. The noise level.
What? Is that an eraser? iPod what?
I don't know.
Ooh, that looks cool.
It's an iPod Nano earphone. Oh my god. How much was this baby?
You're not supposed to ask that question.
Sorry. iPod Nano. Oh my god, I can't wait to tell Carly. You guys want to give me it. Did you guys know this?
I'm recording this, you know.
What?
Yep.
Oh god.
I think it's probably got tape around
Yeah.
it to hold it closed.
It's in blue.
I'm gonna send this to Grandma.
Oh my god.
Hey, Jasmine.